Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2015. Consider the following pseudocode where x and y are positive integers. And here they have given few lines of code. Please pause the video and go through it. And they are asking for the post condition that needs to be satisfied after the program terminates is. Means after successful execution of this program, what might be the post condition which will satisfy the program requirement? That is what they are asking. Means let me analyze what is the functionality of the program so that we can answer it easily. They have started with the statement begin statement, and they have initialized q value as 0. And suppose let's take I'm taking x value as 15, so that r value will be 15 because x value is assigned to r value. Then they are writing one condition while r greater than or equal to y. Means here we don't know y value, so let us assume that I am taking y value also some value 4. While r greater than 15 greater than or equal to 4, as condition satisfied, then it's going to go into the loop and it's going to execute this one. R equal to r minus y. R minus y means 15 minus 4, 11. 11 will be copied into again r. Then q value is incremented by 1. Then once again it is going to executing. 11 greater than or equal to 4, yes. R equal to r minus y, that is 7. Q value incremented by 1, that is 2. Now 7 greater than or equal to 4, yes. R equal to r minus y, that is 3. Q value incremented by 3. Now it will goes r greater than or equal to y. 3 greater than or equal to 4, condition fail, it will stop executing from, it will stop and exit from the program. Yes. So with these answers you can simply answer. Let me analyze this. Let's take two numbers 15 and 4. If I divide like this, what you will get the result? 15 by 4. Let's take 15 by 4. 4 3s are 12. You will get 3. This we call it as a coefficient. This we call it as remainder. Right? So when you perform this program execution, q value will be 3 and r value will be 3. Means this is what kind of functionality? This is another form of division process. Another form of division process. I mean, this is divisor, coefficient and remainder. Let me assign numbers like this x and y is divisor and quotient is q. Remainder I am calling it as r. Call it as r, right? Yes. If you know this one, you can solve it easily. Let me solve. When you are going to get this x value, you are going to perform y into q. yq plus r, you will get the value as x. Okay. When you are repeating the same process again and again until r greater than or equal to y. Until r greater than or equal to y, you are going to execute the same program again and again. But here they are asking for post condition. Post condition means this r should be less than, when this program is going to stop, when r less than y, then only it is going to stop its condition. So when r less than y, it will stop its process. So after the complete execution of the program, what are the conditions it need to satisfy? Yq plus r equal to x should be one condition, and another condition is r should be less than y. So whichever option having these two answers, that is the correct answer. Let's take, is r equal to qx plus y? No. What is the meaning of this one? Remainder equal to coefficient into dividend plus divisor. That is not correct. So this option is wrong. And check this condition. Y equal to y means divisor equal to. No, it's completely wrong. What about this one? This is wrong. Let me take the option is option B is the correct answer. Or if you are getting confusion here, let you take one more form. It's an easy way, substitute method. Let's take x equal to 10, y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Substitute here, q value is 0, then you will get r value as 10. Now r greater than or equal to y. Yes, right? 10 greater than or equal to 5. Condition is true. Then r equal to r minus y, that is 5. Q value will be incremented by 1. Now once again, 5 greater than or equal to 5. Yes, r equal to r minus y, that is you will get 0. Then q value will be incremented by 2. Now here it is getting 0 greater than or equal to 5. Condition failed and exit from the block. Right? So before execution of the program, my x value will be 10 and y value will be 5. And after execution, x value will be 10, y value will be 5, and q value will be 2, r value will be 0. Substitute in the given equation. Whichever it is satisfied, that is the correct answer. Let's take option A. R equal to, R means 0 equal to qx. Q into x, that is 20 plus y. Y is 5. 0 equal to 25. Obviously it is wrong. So I mean this is substitution method. So obviously A is wrong. Then let's take, I am going to take C. Y. Y is what? 5 equal to Qx. Qx means 2 into 10, 20 plus R, 0. 5 equal to 20. No, this is also wrong. This is wrong. So C is also wrong. Next, take D option. Q plus 1 less than R minus Y. What is Q plus 1? Q plus 1 is 1. Sorry, Q is 2, right? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 less than, what is r minus y? R minus y. R minus y is minus 5. Minus 5. If the condition is true, here this part itself is wrong. So option D is also wrong. Let me check with the final case B. B is obviously correct. Let's take x equal to, that is 10 equal to qy. 2 into y means 5 plus r is 0. 10 equal to 10. One condition is true and another condition. Obviously r is less than y, 0 less than 5. So both conditions are true. So the option B is correct. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.